Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So today we're going to take a look at some linden wood and see if this will make a good firewood. So we had a big linden tree cut down in the front of the house back in March of last year. And I've been burning it and it seems to be pretty good. Let me show you what this linden looks like. Okay, so here's a piece of linden. So this was very wet when I first had this tree cut down. It's very dried out now, but it had a moisture reading up around 46, close to 50. That was back in March, so it's been almost a year. This seems to have seasoned pretty well. So I've been burning this in the fireplace and it seems to burn pretty well. So I want to show you some other pieces just to get an idea what this looks like. So anyway, it's been a pretty wet week this week. The temperatures have been in the 30s. As you can see, we have snow, but it's very wet snow. So I haven't been able to do much outside. So anyway, thought I'd do a quick video on this linden. So here's the linden back here. And the reason I know it's linden is because the tree service guy said it's linden. You can kind of see what it looks like. Here's another piece. So I have quite a bit of this. That was a very large tree. So it's a softer wood. It's light, but this seems to burn very well. And actually, I'm going to do a fire tonight, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Anyway, I've been burning it, and so far I've been pretty happy with it. So I think the main thing, as long as it's dry, as long as it's seasoned, it'll burn well. Okay, so I have the fire going good, and what I'm going to do is, got the piece of linden sitting there. I'm going to put this on time lapse just to see how long this piece of linden will burn. I'm just going to put this piece of linden in here, and I'll put the camera in time lapse mode, and we'll see how long this lasts. Okay, so it's been an hour. I started at 5:05 and it's now 6:05, so there's not much left of this. So I think it really did pretty well. It burned very hot. It burned for a long time, so I think this did pretty well. I haven't compared this with anything else. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.